What's up guys, it's Clay from Verus Engineering here again. Today what we're going to be doing is installing our transmission tunnel covers on my 2013 Subaru BRZ. Alright guys, so first step of the process, on the driver's side we're going to be removing this plastic tray right here. You're going to need a 10mm socket and a flathead screwdriver to remove this piece. Okay, so if you guys are following along in the installation manual, we do have these holes marked for you. So you're going to locate these 4 holes here that typically have those plastic rivets in it that you remove with your flathead screwdriver. And then we're going to use our 3/8" drill bit to open these holes up a little bit wider. Alright, now after you get your 4 holes drilled, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. It's recommended to clean these out with a shop vac just to get the metal shavings out. And then what we can do, if you have access to it, use some touch-up paint to touch the little metal up just a little bit, just to reduce any kind of rust in the future. Now to install your rivet nuts, you're going to need a 9/16 wrench, a 10mm socket, and then you have your install tool. You're going to put that in there. And then you put your 9/16 wrench in, if I can hold the bolt. And install them into your 4 holes. Now, after you get your 4 rivets installed, you're going to reinstall your plastic tray. Now, I didn't say this earlier, if you do have a JDM vehicle, on this side, you might have an under tray. The USDM vehicles just have one on the driver's side. But when you're doing this, we're going to leave the bolt holes on the inside closest to your exhaust empty. Just put the bolts on the outside of the vehicle in. Now this part right here is going to take some patience. With all the different aftermarket exhausts out there, you are going to have to use different sizes of spacers. Looks like we give you a 15mm, a 10, and then 5mm spacers. And then what you're going to want to do is take the panel that has the logo on it first, line it up with your holes, kind of test fit it, eyeball what size spacers you need, and then it's kind of just test as you go. Now when installing these, it's obviously going to be, for this first one, you're going to want to put in the top and the bottom bolts, the longest one possible. So you're going to go your button head cap screw with your washer through the panel, and then you're going to put your spacers on top of there. Your trans tunnel completely installed. Like I said, it is kind of a pain to figure out which size spacers you are going to use. What Eric told me to do here on the back side, just tap your exhaust, make sure it's not rattling. That's the best way to tell if it's going to rattle with your bolts up there. Then you're going to tighten everything down and you're all done. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Until next time.